Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add new products to your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser and go to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. And next, all you have to do is log in into your account if you have an account, or if you don't have an account, just click on sign up now and start a free trial and enjoy your first month of Shopify for $1 only. Now, I do have an account. Now I'm just going to click on log in right here. So log in into my account and go to the store that I want to add my products with. And next, once you're in this page, go to the left side of your screen and click on products. So as you can see, these are my products right here. So I'm just gonna delete them all so that it is very clean to look at once I start the tutorial. So I'm just gonna refresh that. Or let's go to another store of mine that has no products. And there you have it. So once you're in this page, you want to click on add your products. Now once you have done that, first you want to add a title of your product. So we are selling coffee, so I'm just gonna say Cafe Americano right here. And on the description, all you have to do is to describe the product. So under description, I have tips for you so that your product will be very good and it has good subscription. So all you have to do on the description is describe the material you're using, the ingredients you are using if you are selling food or coffee or beverages like me, the dimension if you are selling some t-shirts or any other products like appliances, and of course the brand if your product has a brand. So for now I am selling coffee, so I'm just gonna describe my product, like the ingredients, like the beans I am using. So I'm just gonna say using Arabica beans, like single shot of espresso and added a bit of hot water, like so just like that. So you can actually do anything with the description. So if you're adding t-shirt or if you're selling t-shirt, you can actually use the materials I'm using is cotton, and the dimension of the small, medium, large is this and that, and so on and so forth. And now next is you want to add some files. So just click on add files right here and just click on the files that you want to add. So for now, I'm gonna say this one. Gonna open that one. As you can see, it is uploading, and there you have it. My product image has now been uploaded, and you can actually add another photo if you want. So for now, I'm just gonna add this one single photo. And next is the pricing. So you want to set the price of your product right here. So for now, this coffee or this single bottle of coffee will cost around, let's say, $75. I mean pesos. Sorry for that. And you can actually compare at price. So to display a markdown, enter a value higher than your price, often shown with a strike through. So I'm just gonna compare this. So let's say I'm gonna put a higher price, that is 90, just like that. And now the cost per item is actually customers won't see it. So how much is the cost on making this product alone without the profit? So for example, this cost me around 50 pesos, and now I have profit of 25 pesos and a margin of 33.3%. So that's it. So next is the inventory. So make sure you want to check this track quantity. So for you to track how many pieces or how many products you still have in your shop. So the shop location should be how many products you have right now in your shop. So that all depends on what is the inventory you have. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna say I still have 100 products of this. And now you have the option to continue selling when out of stock. So this won't affect Shopify POS. So staff will see a warning but can complete sales when available inventory reaches 0 and below. So I'm just going to click on this right here, or if you don't want to click on that, just uncheck that one. And for now, let's just check on this. And now if this product has a SKU or a barcode, just click on this. So if the product has no SKU or barcode, make sure not to click on that. So next is shipping. So of course this is a physical product, so the shipping weight, let's just say this the shipping weight is around 0.2 kilograms, or let's go to pounds. So I think this product weighs around let's just say, for example, for example of this video, this is not very accurate because I honestly don't know what is the weight of this product. So let's just say this product is around 2 pounds, just like that. And now you can actually click on include customs information for international shipping if you are shipping internationally. So if you are shipping internationally, you can actually choose the country or region you are shipping to. I mean, if you're shipping internationally, this should be the country or region you are shipping from. So if you're shipping from your location, just click on that actually, and you can add a harmonized system code, search products by keyword or code. So I am not shipping internationally, so I'm just gonna uncheck this one, because you can see if I ship internationally a coffee product, so the tendency is this product will go bad once it reaches to international customs or whatsoever. And next is if you want to add variations like here. So I'm just going to click on add options like size or color. So for now, I'm just going to add a color, and variations is brown, just like that, and click on done. So as you can see right here, you can actually set the variation of your product. And the brown coffee I'm selling is a latte. So for now, let's give it a go. So just click on this and you can actually edit the price. You can delete the variant. You can edit the country or region, or edit location. So the inventory I have right now, let's say I have 50 of this, and that should do it right about there. And next is the search engine listing. So this is a sample of a search result of your product once customers will search for a certain cafe americano. So as you can see, this is my Shopify website, and this is the description that I'm using for my product. So next, all you want to do is scroll up, and of course make the status active for you to publish it automatically. As you can see, the publishing, you can actually click on manage right here, and you can manage sales channels or manage markets. So for now, I'm not going to do that, because you can see the sales channels are very good on my part. So I'm selling via online store, and the point of sale and the markets are Philippines and international. So the under markets are Philippines and international. So I'm just going to go to manage markets, because as you can see, like what I've said before, I don't want to sell internationally for this type of product. So I'll scroll down. That's about it. And now the product organization. The product category should be beverages, because I am using or selling beverages. So if you are selling appliances, just click on appliances right here, or clothing. You can actually have a product category of apparel or clothing or any source of type. So product type is coffee, and vendor is my shop name, of course. And collections, you can add this to your homepage. And tags, you can actually say coffee, americano, cafe, just like that, and any other tags that you want. So once you have done that, all you have to do is click on Save right here. And there you have it. Your product is now created. So it's that very simple and it's that easy. So I guess that's it for this video, and if you have some questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to comment down below on the comment box and I will answer them as much as I can. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!